Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today I'm going to do a few things. This video is mainly to show you how I'm regrowing my edges because I've messed up and my hair was damaged from wearing braids for a couple months during the holidays. But it's no biggie, they're already growing, so I'm just gonna show you how I do this routine to help them grow. I'm also going to stretch out my hair in this video. I'm going to do that without heat to do a protective style. So if you're looking to regrow your edges or if you're looking for hairstyles that you can do for protective styles, mainly to reduce manipulation of your hair, this video is for you, so keep on watching. So the first thing I do to regrow my edges is try to keep it away from the rest of my hair and always try to massage it with oil and moisturize it with water every day. That way it is not being manipulated and no pressure is being applied to it. One of the reasons why we lose hair around the hairline is because of pressure being applied in that area, as it is very sensitive. So this video is not replacing any medical attention by any means. If you suffer from a severe case of hair loss, it's best to contact your medical practitioner, as it can also be related to many other things such as diet, stress, and the list goes on. For me, like I said, it's not a severe case, and this is not the first time this happened to me, unfortunately. So it was just because I wear braids and I wasn't being very careful with it, and that happens, unfortunately. So what I do to reverse it, as you can see, I'm applying oil and I massage it to the area affected. I massage the certain oil. Right now I'm using castor oil as well as a drop of rosemary and a drop of tea tree essential oils. Castor oils is one of the best oil that you can use for hair loss. It is recommended by professionals. You can also use certain essential oils such as lavender, rosemary, and so on. I would advise you to do your research in the types of oils that you're using, but these are the oils that I'm using for this tutorial. Right now I am flat twisting that hair, making sure that it's away from the rest of my hair, and I'm flat twisting it very loosely so it's not tight at all, and I'm trying to make sure I can grab every little piece of hair that I can in that area affected. Now my hair was washed the day before, so it's not completely dried and it's not completely stretched out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it in a little tie, make sure that it stays overnight to not only dry off but also to stretch out during the night. I will use these little hair ties throughout my hair, just to make sure that it is blow dried. I'm not gonna use any heat on my hair to do this because I don't like using heat on my hair. So this is my method to blow dry my hair. And of course I'm gonna make sure I lock in my moisture, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of oil and apply it throughout my hair to make sure that my hair stays moisturized. So question for you, do you use heat on your hair to blow dry your hair, or do you use an alternative method just like me to blow dry your hair? I know a lot of people now are starting to use different methods to blow dry their hair without using heat. So please let me know what you do. This method I've been using it since I started my natural hair journey, and it's been working for me. So let me know. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I do post a video every week on Fridays or Sundays mostly. So thank you for your support. this hairstyle is also a nice little protective hairstyle that you can use if you're not going anywhere, and you're just gonna stay in. This you can use so you can protect your hair and not manipulate your hair, and you don't have to touch your hair. You can stay like that. So not only it's stretching out your hair, and it's a low manipulation hairstyle that you can also use. So as you can see, it is the next day, and I'm just gonna take it down. As you can see, my hair is looking very dry. Well, not very dry, but you see what I mean. My hair is looking, it's dried off from the wash day, and it's also stretched out. So now I'm ready to do my actual protective style. So if you're trying to grow your hair or grow healthy hair, using a blow dryer with heat is not very practical, as that can damage your hair. So using a low heat method is it's much better for your hair. It keeps your hair more moisturized, and its overall health is better for you. If you're using a blow dryer that gives you the option not to use the hot hair, then that's fine. Otherwise, it's best to use this kind of method so that you can blow dry your hair. And here it is. It's completely blow dried, no use of any heat, and it's looking very, very similar as if I used a blow dryer. I'm actually loving it. I wish it was just summertime and I could just walk outside like this and the wind just blows and blows my hair. It's just so beautiful, and that makes me miss the summertime, as it's winter where I am right now. So for this style, I'm just gonna use my flexi rods to style the two parts that I created for my hairlines. So you can just use any rollers that you have or flexi rods if you want to style that part. Flexi rods are my favorite curling product that I use. I don't normally use any other rollers because these ones are so convenient and so easy to use. So I just do this to style these two parts, and when I do that, it normally requires an hour or two to style with the flexi rods. If I'm going somewhere fast, I don't even bother because it doesn't take, I mean, it does take a while for it to curl up, so just be aware of that. So I'm just gonna leave them as is and then start working on the rest of my hair. Now I'm just going to do my bun, and I'm using a bigger hair tie to tie my hair, and I'm just going to do another protective style with this hair bun to make sure that I'm not manipulating my hair too much. I'm going to separate the back. I'm gonna part it to create two little twists, and with the upper part I'm going to just twirl it, and you will see how I pin it around on the side. And this is not an easy task if you ask me, but it is all worth it because in the end you're gonna see how nice it looks. Now I'm going to twist the parts that I created at the back. I'm going to just roll them around the bun and pin them on the side as well, or at the back. And this you can use to go anywhere. You can go to church, to work. You can use it for any types of events. It looks very nice and simple to do. So let me know if you try it or if you try something similar. Do you even like buns? I do like doing buns because They are simple and they can use for several occasions. The most important part is that they are protective styles that you can use for a low manipulation of your hair. As we know, if we're trying to grow healthier hair, low manipulation is the way to go. So yeah, just let me know if you are trying it or what kind of hairstyles that you use for low manipulation of your hair. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.